Hello and welcome to Ideas and Trends. Hey friend, today we will share with you 4 clever ways to reuse a plastic gum holder. The new plastic flip-top gum holder helps to keep gum from breaking into little tiny pieces and ending up at the bottom of your purse, full of dirt or stuck to all of your loose change. Oh, what a mess it used to be. Not anymore. And though, what to do with these great little containers where all the gum is gone? Instead of throwing your handy-dandy little boxes out, cover them with some pretty fabric and fill them with travel items to keep yourself organized and prepared no matter where you plan to go. Things you need: empty plastic gum holder, white glue, foam brush, 45 by 4 into 8 inches pieces of fabric, sharp scissors. Step 1. When that last piece of gum is gone, remove the cardboard from the inside of the empty plastic gum holder. Step 2. Cut a 41 by 4 into 8-inch piece of fabric and pour some white glue into a small container. Step 3. Use a foam brush to apply the glue to the entire outside of the plastic container. Place the container on the wrong side of the fabric and adjust the fabric to fit around the box. Let the glue dry overnight. Step 4. Trim the excess fabric from the flap with a sharp pair of scissors. Step 5. To make a first aid kit, add items such as antacid tablets, pain relievers, antiseptics, wipes, allergy pills, band-aids, upset stomach reliever, cough drop, and antibiotic cream. Step 6. To make a travel sieving kit, add a smaller pair of scissors, button, pin, needles, and thread. Step 7. Insert all of your miscellaneous gift cards and frequent shopper cards to help keep them organized. Step 8. Pop in some Qtips to add to your travel kit. You should also use these colorful little boxes of spare change, a small tool kit, or for your makeup. Toss your finished little kits into your bag so you will have place for everything and everything is in its place. Have a look on the prepared boxes. They are well covered with their lids and there is no danger of spreading anything out of it. If you like this idea, you should apply this on your gum holder box and also comment about your experience. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.